Zenica, and I'm part of the Data Science Discovery team, and in this video today we're going to be doing a question on histograms. So here we're curious about the distribution of credit hours that stat students take at Illinois. To investigate this, you've kind of surveyed these 100 stat students and you're observing the number of credit hours they're taking, and below is this frequency histogram, right? So which range of credit hours is least common? Well, that's the frequencies are y-axis here, and the hours is basically the range of credit hours. So for example, 10 to 12 is has a frequency of 24, so like 24 students. So over here, which range of credit hours is least common? Well, that's like the bin with the least height, right? And we can see here that's actually 12 to 14, so that it has the lowest frequency. So we can say that 12 to 14 hours is least common. And then for most common here, well, we can see that it's the the bar with the greatest height, right, which is obviously 16 to 18 here. So that has the highest frequency, so that occurs the most often. So again, the 16 to 18 credit hours would be the most common in this case. So and that this question, is pretty straightforward. It's just, knowing how to read the frequency histogram. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.